He's going for it. He's not gonna do anything, but yeah. Okay, he's got the recording. You got anything in mind? If you want to That didn't work. I know. Oh, there it goes. Austin's a freaking idiot. He set off the freaking fire alarm. Yeah, we're gonna run into freaking mic. Like all the block. He just got in trouble for having his phone now.
Don't do it now.
I'm so excited.
I'm so excited.
Dude, why would you not want to do that?
He's in gym, so they called for it. That's right. That's pretty much it.
She wants me to videotape it.
Oh my God. Man, I should give this out to you. I didn't know that people would be that excited about it.
You have no idea.
Make sure you don't get shot. You never know. Did you ever pull a firearm before?
No, I'm doing
You
it.
have a volunteer.
Can we do it at the same time?
No.
Like,
There's gonna be 3 more lights.
What if we did do it at the same time? Would that like contradict?
What?
really?
You ready?
Okay, ready?
Dude. Oh snap.
Wow, that was anticlimactic.
That really wasn't very cool.
That didn't work, did it?
Oh, there we go.
Stop. Flash him.
Yo, dang home run.
Your damn home run, you asshole.
You're talking. Can't talk during a baseball game.
Ooh, in your mouth. You throw.
Oh, my word. I can't believe that just happened.
I caught the brush.
Hey, what's going on, guys? Farm here. We're actually in an apartment building. This is not kidding. This is actually in the apartment of my building. We're actually gonna pull the fire alarm right now. It's about 12 a.m. Actually gonna pull it. Alright, let's go. Crap. Anybody coming? Wait, what? Wait, what? Hold on.
So what?
What happened at school today?
Good.
You were good at school today? You didn't do anything pretty crazy?
Well, I had to go to the office for a second to get you something.
What?
Well, I don't know if it's bad or good. I don't even know what it is.
Well, what did you do?
Well, nothing bad.
Really?
Well,
You didn't pull anything at school in the hallway?
nothing.
Nothing? Your principal called me.
How did she know your number?
Because I wrote it down for
Our
her.
kid got yellow today.
So what did you do?
I don't even know.
I think you do know.
I think you know about this.
Hang on 1 second, okay, man?
What's wrong with him?
I don't know. Can you go on so I can talk to him, please?
Adios, amigos.
Bye, thank you. So what did you do, man?
A fire trigger.
Why did you do that?
Oh, because I was just dancing like a monkey and I didn't know what that did. And then I accidentally pulled it.
You accidentally pulled it or you pulled it on purpose?
Accident. Is my dad here?
Mm-hmm.
Well, it was just on accident. Well, she was mad because she thought it was on purpose, but it was on accident. I swear. It was on accident.
What did you guys have to do?
I had to go to the principal
Yeah.
and just do my work to count to 100. You know,
Did you have to stay in there for recess?
yeah, even at recess. I had to eat outside of it.
Were you upset about that?
I was gonna cry.
Did you feel bad?
Yeah, I really didn't want my mom.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Are you gonna do that again?
No.
You promise?
But could you please not tell my dad?
He already knows.
How does he already know?
Because I told him.
Could you tell him that it was on
Yeah,
accident?
he's not upset with you.
How is he not mad at me?
Because you're a little kid. Sometimes little kids do stuff. It happens.
I was curious.
Yeah. Well, next time, do you know what you're gonna do?
What?
What should you do if you're curious about something?
Just calm myself down,
And
take a deep breath,
ask somebody.
and pull it.
No. Did somebody come in there and talk to you?
No, we just had to walk out.
You didn't get talked to by like a firefighter?
Yeah,
You did?
yeah.
What did he say?
Well, I don't remember.
You don't remember what he said?
Come here.
Did he sit down and talk with you?
Yeah,
What did he say?
I don't remember.
Okay. Are you gonna do it again?
No,
You promise.
promise.
Go inside.
We'll tell you when.
Yeah. Are you nervous?
Yeah,
You think you can do it? You're gonna get in trouble, do you think?
probably. I'm gonna get kicked out.
Go tell him. Go tell him, Cleet.
Hi there, Tommy. All right, buddy, give me 5. Just don't do it again, okay? Don't do that no more, all right?
We're really sorry.
Oh, it's all right. I got
Cleet, go tell him.
Makes us show up. You know why we show up? There's a fire. So if there's no fire and we show up, it's not good. Okay? What's your name? What is it?
It's Cleet. Like Cletus, but just Cleet.
Cletus? Cletus, that is a cool name. Can't pull it unless there's an emergency no more, okay?
Got it?
Give me something. All right.
We're sorry.